Link and price of the product in the description. Upgrade your storage security with this hidden RFID cabinet lock, designed for drawers, cabinets, and lockers. The invisible design keeps your furniture clean with no visible lock outside. Simply tap the RFID card or key fob to unlock it instantly. No keys, no hassle, and no complicated setup. The lock works through wooden panels, making it perfect for home or office use. You can install it yourself with a simple DIY process. It also supports USB power for reliable performance, and comes with 4 key cards or fobs, perfect for keeping your belongings safe while maintaining a modern and minimal look. Link and price of the product in the description.